Afternoon to everyone. Now we are going to continue the topic which we have started yesterday. Yesterday we have started active and passive, and I have told you the basic rules of active passive, and we had done the passives of present perfect. Today we will go ahead. First we will go for present continuous, then we will go for present perfect. Again I will teach you the same thing. And also I want to know, have you done the homework? Did you do some practice at home yesterday which I taught? Raise your hand how many students they practiced at home. One, two, only two, three students are there for practice. It is not good thing. Good, 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 good. Really, if you are doing practice, then I want that everyone you will send me the practice where you have done, what practice you have done. So I will check the practice also. Is it right or wrong? Got it? Good. Now we are starting. Today we will go for present continuous. We will go. We will do the passives of present continuous. Present continuous. First, I will tell you the formula. As like I told you yesterday in present simple, there is not too much big difference. Here continuous is there, so continuous indicated ing. Ing always indicated to the continuous, and present indicates is R and M. But the mixture or combination of is RM plus ing will be continuous. Okay. The formula is first of all object, then is R M, object plus is R and M, then being will be there. Ing will show by the being will be there, then third form of verb will come after that by, then subject. Got it everyone? This is the formula. How to convert active sentence of present simple into passive. First of all, we will find object as usual. According to object, there will be is, are, and am. According to object, there will be is, are, am. After that, being will come. I have told you the use of be in tenses. I have told you what is be. Be is first form, was, were, second form, and been was third form. If we put be plus ing, then it shows continuous. Got it? यदि बी में ing हम लगा रहे हैं तो ये कंटिन्यूटी को शो करता है. That's why we are using being here. Then the same, the verb, third form of verb will be there. Then by, then subject. Getting everyone? Okay. Now the example. Example is there. My mother is making tea. Active sentence. What is the sentence of active? My mother is making tea. That's very simple. First, we have to search out the verb. After verb, there will be object. I have told you yesterday how we will find the object. Person or thing which comes after the verb is called object. So object हमें पकड़ना है, and according to the formula, object will come first. So what is the object? T. According to object, is R M. We have to put is R or M. So here it will come is. So what is the object? Object is T. Then with T is will come after that being. After that being will come. Then the third form of verb, and verb is make. Then third form will be made. Tea is being made, and by. After that, my mother. The subject is my mother. Got it, everyone? My mother is making tea, and the answer is tea is being made by my mother. Write down this formula because it is very important. This is the basic formula. After this formula, we will go for the 7 sentences which are very much important. So 1 minute I'm giving to you to write down this. Okay, I think you have written. Now we will go for the 7 most important sentences and what you have to take care about the 7 sentences, that where I am putting the word, you have to feel that okay, this is the right place to put the word. जहाँ जिस word का जो स्थान है वहीं पर ही आपको वो word रखना है, otherwise there will be mistake. Okay, first type of sentence, positive sentence. Sentence will remain the same. I am eating food. Positive sentence. Okay, active sentence and positive sentence. Now what will be the answer? The object is food, then is, after that being, I'm eating food. So what is the answer? Food, yani object will come first, then helping verb, then being, after that third form of verb, eaten. Food is being eaten by, I will become me. Then it has become passive. Active sentence, I am eating food, or passive is food is being eaten by me. Second sentence is negative sentence. What will be the sentence? I am not eating food. Active sentence. What is the sentence? I am not eating food. And how we will make the passive? The same formula. First, object will come. Object is food. Then helping verb is. Then being will come according to the present continuous. Being. I am not eating food. The answer is going to be food is being. अब देखिए negative sentence है. Then not will come before the being. बस usually this mistake happens with everyone. हर किसी के साथ यही mistake होती है. They write the not after the being, but we are to write the not before the being. Food is not being. This you are to take care. Food is not being eaten by, and I will become me. That's it. These are two sentences. First is positive and second one is negative. Write down very fast. And also you have to do practice at home like this type of sentence. Today I will send you the separate sentences of present simple, present continuous and present perfect. Because we will do till present perfect. Then I will check. First I will send after the class. After class will get over at 12 o'clock, no, 1:20. Then I will send to you after 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Or by the evening, definitely I will send. Have you written this? Okay, now we will go for the third or fourth sentence, which are interrogative and interrogative plus negative. How we will write the sentence? Fourth sentence, third sentence. Am I food? Interrogative, active sentence. Am I eating food? If any sentence is active and that is interrogative, then it means helping verb is outside. So in the answer, we will bring the helping verb outside. So what are the helping verb? Is, are, or am. And our object is food. So with food, we will bring out is. Is food, then being. Is food being, then third form, eaten. Am I eating food? The answer is going to be is food being eaten, then by, and I will become me. Passive, interrogative sign. I think am I eating food will become is food being eaten by me. Now fourth sentence, interrogative plus negative. Am I not eating food? Active sentence. Am I not eating food? Okay, how we will make? We have to take care about the not, where it will be put. बस हमें वही ध्यान रखना है सिर्फ. According to the formula, first of all, we have to take care of the object. Object is food. Then, if the sentence is interrogative, then helping verb will come out. So, is there. Is आ गया सबसे पहले. Then object. Then not. Negative sentence है तो not पहले आ जाएगा. Is food not फिर being आ जाएगा. Is food not being eaten by me? This is passive and interrogative. If any sentence is active and that is interrogative, then the passive sentence also will remain interrogative. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, इसमें भी interrogative sign लगेगा. So here the sentence is, am I not eating food? And the answer is food not being eaten by me? Write down these sentence. After writing the sentence, we will go for fifth or sixth and seventh, three important sentences. Because these are the longest sentence. Everything is used in those sentences, like WH question word, helping verb, and subject, object. All things are used. So we will see those important sentences also. So write down very fast, because today we are to go through the present perfect also. Done, everyone? Good. Very good. Now, fifth sentence. Why? WH interrogative. Why am I eating food? Active sentence. Why am I eating food? Now, whatever WH word will be there, it will remain same. जो भी WH word है वो सेम रहेगा. Why है तो why रहेगा. What है तो what रहेगा. When है तो when रहेगा. How रहेगा. Same. After WH question word, helping verb will be there. So, and helping verb comes according to the object. Object is food. Now, according to food, is will be there. So, why is food being? To show the continuity, being will be there. Why is food being eaten by me? Passive and interrogative. Getting everyone? Now, sixth sentence. Same sentence will be there, but not लग जाएगा. Why am I not eating food? Active sentence. Why am I not eating food? The answer will remain same. बस हमें not का ध्यान रखना है. Not will come before the being, not after the being. Not जो है वो being से पहले आएगा, being के बाद में नहीं आएगा. Why as the same helping verb. Why is, then food, object. After object, being will be there. Being will be there? No, not will be there. Why is food? Not. After not, being will come. Not के बाद being आएगा. Why is food not being eaten? Then by और by के बाद I will become me. ये हो गया passive. Interrogative sign or passive. Look at the board and write down these sentences. The last sentence is including each and everything. WH question word, helping verb, object, negative word, then another tense indicated word, then third form of sentence, third form of verb, and by and subject. Each and everything is included with the sentence. If you make this type of sentence correct, then there will not be any chance of wrong. Yes, any queries there? Okay, one student wants to ask something. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Sir, voice is not
Yes,
clear.
voice is
Sir, voice.
not clear.
Yes, sir.
Rest all students are getting voice clearly. Do one thing, move from your place. जहाँ आप बैठे हो वहां से थोड़ा इधर उधर लो, है ना? There is network
Okay,
problem
sir.
in your area, है ना? So move
Okay, sir.
some here and there, you will find it. Because this is the network problem of your area. Okay. Write down these two sentences, then we will go for the last seventh sentence, which is most important. One more query is there. Okay. Who is he? Himanshu. Yes, Himanshu.
सर आपका वीडियो थोड़ा सा अटक आ रहा है.
वीडियो अटक अटक के आ रहा है ना, तो बेटा it is the network problem in your area actually. Rest all students are getting clear. So move yourself, है ना? एक रूम से दूसरे रूम में जाओ, या फिर ना आप जहाँ बैठे हो वहां से उसी रूम में थोड़ा इधर उधर शिफ्ट हो, है ना? Shift yourself, then you will find it clear, ना? It happens with some students sometimes because it depends on the area network also. Okay, beta? Okay, if you have written, then I'm going to rub this now. The last or seventh important sentence, which starts with who. Who is eating food? Interrogative. Okay. Whenever any sentence starts with who से जो भी sentence start हो रहा है, तो who will become by whom? Who will become by whom? जो भी sentence who से start हो रहा है, वो बन जाएगा by whom. It will become by whom. Then the same formula will be there. Helping verb will be there. Then object will be there. Okay. कोई चेंजेस नहीं है, बस ये who होगा वो whom बन जाएगा. Rest all thing will be same. By whom is food, then being, then third form of verb. ये था active and this is passive. So what was the active sentence? Who is eating food? It has become by whom is food being eaten. Write down this sentence also. Then we will go for present perfect. Today I will send some practice also. So tomorrow I will check that practice also. Every student has written? Good, very good. If any student has any doubt, then he or she can ask to me. Raise your hand if you have any doubt. Otherwise, we will go on past, present perfect. Is there any doubt? Anybody has any doubt? No doubt. Very good, very good. All are intelligent. Okay. Now it is present perfect. The formula will be object plus has and have. Look, when we studied present simple or continuous, the helping verb was is, are and am. ठीक है? If present simple और present perfect किसी का भी sentence हो तो helping verb पे तौर पे हमने is, are, am का use किया. Now it is perfect, present perfect. Then has or have will be used. Then object plus has, have plus been. The use of been is the third form of be. So always has, have needs third form, है ना? Has, have के साथ हमेशा third form की आवश्यकता होती है. So it is working as third form. After that, third form of verb also will come. ये तो इसके साथ ही जुड़ा है. और third form of verb also will come. Then by plus subject. See, this is the. So what is the formula of present perfect? First object will be there. According to object, has or have will come. Everybody knows that he, she, it name होगा तब has आएगा. I, you, we, they होगा तो have आएगा. After that, been will come. Then third form of verb. Then by and subject. Now example is there. My mother has made tea. Active sentence. My mother has made tea. Now, how we will make the passive? First of all, object. Object is tea. Then, according to tea, what will come? Has or have? Good. Has. ठीक है, according has आएगा. He has then been. He has been then been. और there is no need to worry क्योंकि इसका जो perfect का होगा उसके क्वेश्चन में ही आपको वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म मिलेगी. So that you have to write down as it. Tea has been made by has been made by mother. Passive sentence. Write down it very fast. The formula is object plus has or have plus been plus third form of verb, then by and subject. And I have written the example. My mother has made tea. Tea has been made by my mother. This formula and the sentences I am giving to you, these you have to keep in your mind. Then there will not be any chance of any mistake. Written? Okay, now we are going for the 7 sentences which are important. Okay, first positive sentence. I have eaten food. Active sentence. Okay, how we will make the passive? The object will come ahead. Food. Again, according to object, has or have, has. Food has then been. Food has been then third form as it will come. Then by, then I will become me. This is passive. The question is I have eaten food and the answer, when a passive sentence is food has been eaten by me. Second sentence, look at the board. It is I have not eaten food. Active sentence. How we will make the passive? बस passive में हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है इस negative sentence का? The not will come before the being. जिस तरीके से being से पहले not आ रहा था, as the same, the not will come before the being. This is the we have to take care only. Object is food, then helping verb has. ठीक है? Food has, then not, then been. बस हमें ये ध्यान रखना है. Food has not been eaten by me. This is passive. So it is positive sentence, then negative sentence. Write down very fast, then we'll go ahead. Okay, there is no problem. I think you have written. Now we will go on third or fourth sentence, which are interrogative. Okay, third sentence. Have I eaten food? Okay, have is outside, then it has become interrogative. Interrogative is there. If any sentence is interrogative, then the passive sentence will also be interrogative. So, what is the object? Object is food, and with food, has will come. So, has food been eaten? Getting my words? By me. ये था active and this is passive. What is the sentence? Have I eaten food? It will become has food been eaten by me. Fourth sentence. Interrogative. Now interrogative plus negative. Have I not eaten food? Active sentence. The passive will be like this. Helping verb will come out as object food, has food, then not, then been. बस हमें इतना ही ध्यान रखना है कि नॉट जो है वो बीन से पहले आएगा. हैज कुड नॉट बीन, थर्ड फॉर्म इटन. थर्ड फॉर्म we will find the same third form we have to write down. Has could not been eaten by me. Passive. Interrogative sign and passive. This was active. So here there are two sentences, interrogative and interrogative plus negative. Write down these sentences also. Written everyone? Very good. Nice, nice, very nice. All students are good. And 10th class students, they have studied in 9th class also. These all things which I am teaching right now. I have taught them last year also. So I think they have less problem than 9th students, if they were active in those classes. Now it is 5th sentence. WH interrogative. Why have I eaten food? Interrogative active sentence. Why have I eaten food? Why will be there? Any WH question word it comes. कोई भी WH word question word आ जाए, so we will make them same. उसे वैसा का वैसा रखेंगे. Let it be why, where, when, which, how. So it will remain same. Why? When helping verb is outside, so in answer also helping verb will come out according to object. Object is food. Now, why has food? Now been will come. Why has food been eaten? Third form by me. Active and passive or interrogative. The question is, why have I eaten food? Answer will be, why has food been eaten by me? Now, sixth sentence. WH interrogative plus negative. Why have I not eaten food? Active sentence. Now, answer is there. Why has, the same will be there. Just we have to take care about not. बस सेम आंसर रहेगा. हमें नॉट का ध्यान रखना है. एंड नॉट विल कम बिफोर द बीन. Why has food been eaten by me? The question is there, why have I not eaten food? The answer is, why has food not, हम not भूल गए, देखिए गौर कीजिए. Very good. My mistake. Why has food not been eaten by me? This is passive and interrogative sign. Look at the board. Why have I eaten food? Clear. Why has food been eaten by me? Interrogative plus negative. Why have I not eaten food? The answer will be, why has food not been eaten by me? Write down these all very fast. Then last sentence is there. We will go through the last sentence. After that, the time is running out. So I'm going to teach you the last sentence very fast. So today I will send you some practice sentences that I want that you will do. Then tomorrow these will be checked. Now the last sentence, who wala sentence, है ना? Which starts with who. The sentence which starts with who. The seventh and last sentence. Not the least actually. Who has eaten food? Answer will be by whom. मैं पहले ही बता चुका हूँ. I have told earlier that if any sentence starts with who, then it will become by whom in the passive. By whom, after that helping verb, then object, after that been, then third form. Plus, who has eaten food? The answer is, by whom has food been eaten? An interrogative sentence. Got it, everyone? इसमें भी यदि आपको नॉट पुट करना हो तो यहाँ पर नॉट पुट होगा. If you want, if sentence is negative, then it will be put here. Getting everybody? Okay, very good, very good. So today we have completed present continuous as well as present perfect. Means we have done the passives of present. Yesterday we did present simple, today present continuous and present perfect. Today I will send you the practice of present, means present simple, continuous and perfect. So I hope everybody will do that. Okay, thank you very